Hey everybody, GigaWiz from CrazyCoders.com here. I'm actually working on a system for a friend, but I wanted to take a quick second to show you guys how to read database from a MySQL database using the old style MySQL commands. They seem to be replacing MySQL with MySQLi in the newer versions, so this will eventually become depreciated. It currently still works. I think I'm on PHP 5.4 or something like that. This is going to be a basic tutorial. I've got my database set up. This is what my table looks like. You got the site title, the site name, the URL, the logo, etc. We're going to focus on the URL. So, as you can see, I got a couple of functions here already. It's going to be similar to what's already there, but we're going to actually write this one by hand instead of copying and pasting. So we're going to start out making a new function. We're going to name it get site URL. First thing we're going to do is we're going to set up our query. And we're going to select star from, actually we're going to select a specific, I'm going to select site underscore URL. Site underscore URL from client area underscore settings, oops, or die. If I can type today, in the database dot, and then we're going to add MySQL underscore error to that. Open and closing parentheses and our semicolon. Okay, so that selects our data. Now we need to actually execute the query. So we're going to go cache result is equal to MySQL query cache query. And now we're going to get the information from the database and return it to the function itself. So we're going to go while cache row is equal to MySQL fetch array, and then the name of the query, so cache result. We're going to go echo cache row site underscore URL. Oops. Okay. So no word of a lie. What we're doing here is we're setting up our query. I'll even put some comments in here. So set up the query. Fetching the result here. And then we're displaying the result. So now if we come back to our index page here, very simple. We're just going to open up in PHP. We want to get site URL, opening closing parentheses, a semicolon, and close our brackets. We're going to put a line break in here. And now if we come back to our tab and we refresh, now we have our URL. So that's the basics of how you're going to get stuff from a database in MySQL. As I said, they are depreciating this. They're trying to move over to MySQLi. I may do a future tutorial on that, but for the time being, I've always used this way. It works nicely for me. I'm going to keep using it this way. So that's the video. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe. Visit crazycoders.com for more cool tutorials and tips and help if you need it. And have a great day, guys.